let's check out our room at the new Disneyland Villas. We got this with DVC. Look at this wallpaper. That is awesome. Okay, let's head inside. We already did a little bit of looking around, but let's show everyone else now. Okay, let's actually start with the bathroom because look at this mirror. The light up fairies up there. It's pretty cool.
I love it.
And then, I mean, yeah, just everything is just so new and modern. Yeah, go for it. So, oh, we got the rainfall. That's always great.
Oh, the tiling.
Yeah, the tiling's really good. Bench, all the soaps and everything are bolted to the wall. No free samples or anything to take back. Got some Sleeping Beauty, I guess, artwork in here. And yeah, let's, okay, so sliding door for that. Cool. All right, let's keep it moving. Got a cool, like, okay, it's cool. It's kind of messing with me a little bit, but it's an interesting mirror.
Colors.
Yeah, cool. There's a thermostat, and then, yeah, all the designs back here are so, wow. That's very solid. So it's like, I guess, yeah, it's just all Sleeping Beauty theme. It's not like different elements or anything. It's just like Aurora's crown. Does this move?
No.
It's just like very...
Looks like it should light up though.
Yeah.
Maybe this is it.
Yeah, check it out. Ooh, there you go.
Hello.
They really love the light up mirrors here.
I don't hate it.
Yep. And then, here, let's check this out. They left, yeah, so we got the little stationery with the pen. And they left this for us, a little welcome home gift.
Disneyland Hotel on it.
It does say Disneyland Hotel. They left us a little welcome home gift. We actually already had this, or is this different than ours? It is the same as the Walt Disney World one? Okay.
No, it's the one for the Disneyland Villas.
Right, it's for, oh, it's just the one for the Villas and that's it. Oh, okay, so we got that in Disney World because they were advertising it.
Right. They were selling the villas.
Right.
Disney World.
Okay, cool.
They also have in-room dining here.
Uh-huh. All right. Cool menu. Some seats down here to pull out. They're pretty nice.
It kind of reminds me of something from the cruise line.
Yeah, definitely.
This makes so you can do your makeup.
Yeah, you can. Drawers here, all that. That was our little package for the room keys. Let's go over here right now. Let's check out our kitchenette. So what we got? Okay, we have actual plates, cups, glasses, silverware. Yes, that was everything you need in there. It's really nice. That's great when it's not just paper and plastic. Then what we got in there? We got the
Toaster.
Yeah, toaster. We got the ice bucket. Got the microwave. We got Keurig. That's great. Disneyland Hotel condiment kit. Okay. French roast Joffreys. Some teas. Awesome. We got the fridge. What were we saying about the fridge?
It's an actual fridge.
Yeah, it's got the actual freezer in it.
It's not a beverage cooler.
Awesome. And then what's this? Just trash under here probably? No, there it goes. Yeah, paper towels, everything. Okay.
No trash there.
All right.
Trash is right there.
So then,
Yes, they
they actually do give you robes.
Yes, they did.
That's a Disneyland Hotel. That's awesome.
Yeah,
And you have some artwork back there of the woodland critters. I know what laundry, is that making a laundry bag? Yeah, it is. Look at that.
Ooh. Wait.
Yeah.
Wait.
What? What are you seeing on it? What?
Okay,
I thought it was like Steamboat or something on there. Or a Sorcerer. Okay.
What bag's coming with me?
All right, so we got this, everything.
Ironing board.
Yeah, extra blankets. Yeah, iron. And then, what's that thing in the bottom back there?
It's a laundry basket.
Oh, okay,
It's
cool.
like a poppable one.
Yeah, the collapsible one, yeah.
Yeah, like they had the Riviera.
And here's all the amenities that we have. And then, is there ones that we can request? Or no?
I think we can request some things, but it says certain things are not available in Deluxe and Duo Studios.
Okay.
So we can request a tea kettle if we wanted, or a mop, or a high chair.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there they are. Yeah. Blender, my crib, electric mixer, broom, and dustpan. Okay.
I guess you're gonna be here for like a while.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. So then, I almost tripped over that right there. Let's check this out. Let's see what design we got on here. Woo! Yep. All right. Put that back up. Okay. Now, I'll just lay next to the bed. It's got like all the, I don't know, like fairy dust on it or something. Does it, do you click on with this? There it is. So it's got a dimmer in it. Cool. Got USBs, plugs, everything like right built into the headboard basically. I actually really like this headboard. That's so cool. It's the headboard like kind of cradles the little nightstand that fits perfectly in there. This is such a compact nightstand. Okay, do these actually open or are they stuck or what's going on? Are they fake?
I think they're fake.
Whatever. Still,
You still have that little section underneath.
yeah, you can still store some stuff there.
Have the castle.
Yeah, that is beautiful. Okay, wait, let me get on the other side because the light's kind of messing with it a little bit. Yeah, that is beautiful. Actually, look at the carpet too.
Once Upon a Dream.
Oh, Once Upon a Dream. Nice. Awesome. Then you have breakfast here. Can request what you want. All right, Mickey Shaped waffles for $25. Maybe not. Let's check out over here. There's a little couch over here. And then you have some more artwork. All right. Now, how the curtains look? Anything special?
Pretty standard.
They are themed to Sleeping Beauty.
Yeah. And then the views, we have a standard view, so it's pretty, nothing really to see.
Yeah.
That's
How
a
do we
lot
open
to
this? Where?
I don't know.
Yeah, where's the
There's no
center of
balcony,
these?
So we don't need.
Yeah, there's no balcony, so
I guess it's
there you can see outside there.
That's missing this balcony, I guess. I don't think anything has a balcony.
Yeah.
Grand California has.
Wait, there's a balcony right there.
Oh, there is.
Yeah.
Well, that would be like a one bedroom or something then.
Yeah. Okay, this does not look good on the video. It's like all blurry and stuff. What else? Oh, yeah. So I think that's basically everything. And then just like, this thing here, does this like pop open? Yeah, it does. Some more storage down there. And then you can use this to move around, eat off of, whatever you want to do with it. And then, I guess the last thing is we went down to a DVC booth downstairs and we got our coin. We already got the one in Walt Disney World. And there is one at Alani too, but I don't think we're going to make it there to get that one, unfortunately. But at least we got this one. Little member gift. And then they also gave us a welcome home gift, which was this bag and everything that's in it. So let's see what we have inside. So, okay, here you go. 5 more points. Yeah, here's the points charts and everything. Yeah, add on to your contracts, which, okay, yeah, obviously understand that. Makes sense.
The different rooms have different themes.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
Oh, so we got Sleeping Beauty, but it can be all like different things?
Yeah.
Got it.
I'm okay with that. I think there is actually a Fantasia room.
Oh, there is a Fantasia room?
I think it might be the Grand Villa.
Wait, that's 3-bedroom Grand Villa. What did it say?
Photos of what's on the wall.
Yeah. Oh, well, we can look that up later. Okay, what else we got in here? We got,
Yeah.
they have these everywhere in Disney World, so I think we're good on that. And then, oh, well, there we go. Although we already got those two from Disney World. Okay. That's fine. And then, okay, more buns. And we got a cup. Ooh, membership magic. It looks like our popcorn bucket that we got.
Kind of like might be maybe color changing.
Color changing? Oh, yeah.
Whitish hue.
Right, definitely. What else is in here? Okay, and then stickers that we already have as well. And, yeah, kind of.
But we got a bag.
We got the bag. Honestly, yeah, we got the bag, and that's all I really cared about.
And that's pretty nice. We got the zippers.
Yeah.
Zippers.
Cool. All right. Well, I think that's everything. So, I think it's time
To go to the park.
Yep.
Let's go Disneyland.
Woo, let's go.
Let's go. Go get your feet.